To go off again. There it goes. Tornado warning. Tornado warning. This is my first tornado warning on this radio.
Wisconsin until 2 a.m. At 1:36 a.m., severe thunderstorms capable of producing both tornadoes and extensive straight-line wind damage were located along a line extending from near Foothill to near Broadhead, moving southeast at 30 miles an hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar-indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Janesville, Beloit, South Beloit, Broadhead, Clinton, Orfordville, Foothill, Newark, Tiffany, Hanover, Afton, Chaupier, Devon, Funks Hollow, and Lyton. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. This line of thunderstorms is capable of producing tornadoes and widespread significant wind damage. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
I'm gonna keep this recording. There are the sirens. I gotta be right back. Want to do a tornado warning? Yeah, tornado warning. The sirens are going off. Holy sh! This is the latest tornado warning I've ever seen. Oh my God. The time is 1:40 in the morning. I gotta text the group chat. I've been paying attention to this. It's tornado warning for Milwaukee. Holy crap. I have never, guys. It's so humid out here. It's so warm. Back up, Bear. Wow. This lightning is crazy. It is so humid out here. I'm going inside now.